To connect a 2-meter pipe from Webull, a platform primarily used for trading stocks, ETFs, options, and cryptocurrencies, to a Metatrader, which focuses on forex trading. Several workarounds can be employed since Webull does not directly support integration with Metatrader 5. 3 possible methods include using a bridge service, manual order placement, or exploring TradingView integration. The first method involves selecting a bridge provider that specializes in connecting stock trading platforms with forex platforms, such as Algo Trade, Double Trade, or Single Start. After selecting a provider, API integration is necessary, where many bridges use APIs to fetch data from Webull and send it to Metatrader 5. Configuring parameters is essential, defining what signals to transmit, including conditions like price, value, price levels, order types, and load size. Once the parameters are set, testing the connection is crucial, ideally by running a demo or paper trading account to ensure the bridge's functionality and accuracy. This process allows for the connection of Webull to Metatrader 5, facilitating a more integrated trading experience.